about Jesus has come to John chapter 5 from verse 16 to verse 32. And the Jew leader them did start to make life hard for Jesus. Cause him did do them sitting upon the Sabbath. But Jesus said to them, say, "Fi me Father ever walk, and me a walk too." True him go say so. Them try harder to kill him. Cause and then say him did uncle a broke the Sabbath. But on top of that, him did a say, "God, I'm Father." And that way there, him did a put him and God on the same level. So Jesus tell them, say, "Me dey tell you the truth. The boy picnic can't do a thing pan him own. Him only do what him see him father a do. Whatever the father do, the boy picnic do it too. Cause the father love the boy picnic and the father show him everything what him do. Him a go show him even bigger sitting than them, yeah. Things we going shock you know. Cause same way like how the father make dead people come back alive. As same way so the boy picnic give life to anybody you want to give to. Plus, the father no write off nobody. No. Him give over all of that there to him boy picnic. So that everybody can respect the boy picnic in the same way them respect the father. Anybody will no respect the boy picnic, no respect the father we send him. Me dey tell you no for true. Anybody will hear what me say and trust in the one we send me, I go live forever. Them now go get sent for dead. No. Then get moved over from where part them would have dead and gone over to where part them going live. Me I tell you no for true. The day and time are come. Matter of fact, it there already. When dead people go hear God boy picnic voice and the one them will hear and do him say, go live forever. Cause the father have the power to make people live. And he give the boy picnic the power so that he can make people live too. And on top of that, the father give the boy picnic the power to judge people. Cause him are the man where God pick. Nobody get frightened about what me they say. Cause the time will come when everybody were dead. And in a them grave when hear God boy picnic voice and come back alive. Them where the good are gonna come back for live forever. And them where the wickedness are gonna get sent for dead. Me can't do a thing by my own. Me don't go judge people the way my father tell me to do it. And me do it right. Cause me not do it to make myself happy. No. Me do it to make the one we send me come here happy. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.